Now the second problem, a battery of EMF 10 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. If the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere, what is the resistance of the resistor? What is the terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is closed? So after going through the statement, I draw figure for the same. This is the battery of 10 volt EMF. Now it has internal resistance 3 ohm. So I show 3 ohm resistance here, which is then connected to the external resistance. Let's say it is R. Now additional information given is if the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere, therefore the current that flows in this circuit is 0.5 ampere. Well, the EMF here is 10 volt. Now total resistance of the circuit, that is R plus 3. Ohm, and current I is 0.5 ampere. Now as per Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Now V is 10 volt, current is 0.5 ampere, resistance of the circuit is R plus 3, and R is unknown here. This 0.5 को transpose करो तो 20 is R plus 3, and therefore R is equal to 20 minus 3, 17 ohm is the answer to the first part of this problem. Now, what is the terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is completed? For the second part, दो अलग अलग तरीके से I would like to come to the आंसर. एक बैटरी कौन से स्टेट में है वो आप लोग सोचो. द बैटरी इज डेफिनेटली इन डिस्चार्जिंग स्टेट. सो वेन एवर बैटरी इज इन डिस्चार्जिंग स्टेट, द फॉर्मूला फॉर द टर्मिनल वोल्टेज ऑफ द बैटरी इज V is equal to epsilon minus IR, wherein V is terminal voltage, E is EMF, I is the current flowing through the battery, and R the internal resistance. Here the EMF of the battery is 10 volt, minus I is 0.5 ampere, and R internal resistance is 3. So this would be, when you solve it, you will get 8.5, because हाँ ये 1.5 हो जाएगा, and 10 minus 1.5 is this. So terminal voltage of the battery is 8.5 volt this way. दूसरा, आप इस तरीके से भी आ सकते हो. ये मान लो A पॉइंट है, ये B पॉइंट है, तो VA minus VB is equal to, according to Ohm's law, VA minus VB क्या होगा, I into R. तो यहाँ पर I इस रेजिस्टेंस में से कितना है, 0.5 ओहम है, और फिर रेजिस्टेंस ये आप लोगों ने डिटरमाइन किया है, दैट इज 17 का आधा यानी 8.5 8.5 volt. This is another way you come across the same answer. अच्छा, मेरा टारगेट ये होता है कि आप लोग थियोरी में जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े हो उसकी क्लैरिटी यहाँ क्लियर हो, इसलिए कई बारी कई चीज़ों को मैं ऑल्टरनेटिव वे से भी सॉल्व करता हूँ. थैंक यू.